Welcome to my channel Raza Cool in English. If you have Voltas AC and it is not cooling properly, AC is taking long time to cool the room and electricity bill is also coming very high, then in this video you will get all the information in detail that how you can easily fix your AC. So let's start the video. First of all, lock the gas of your AC. There will be no gas problem in your AC if the gas is locked. Begin by taking the indoor unit down. Take out the AC's swing flap as well. Note that the swing flap is very delicate and open the lock and screw off all 3 screws at the bottom. Unscrew the front screw of the front cover as well. Open all the 3 locks above the cover. After that the main cover will come out easily. Unscrew the screw of the AC display as well. Take out the inner swing flap also with light hands. After that open the screw of PCB and take it out. After that, open the connector of the fan motor from the PCB and separate it. After that open the swing motor and remove it. Unscrew the screw on the top cover of the fan motor. Also open the screw on one side of the cooling coil. Now open and remove the small cover behind the indoor unit. After that separate the cooling coil from the main body. You can see the sludge accumulated in the drain assembly. Now separate the fan motor and blower by unscrewing the blower screw. Now let's start washing and wetting its main cover with the help of jet pump. You can see that there is a lot of mud in it, due to which there is a problem of water entering the AC. It cannot be cleaned in a shortcut. Thick debris in the cover is removed with the help of a jet pump. Now the most important thing in AC cleaning is its blower. Now we will clean the blower with the pressure of jet pump as you can see. You can see that there is a lot of garbage and dust in the blower. It is very important to clean it with pressure. Without pressure the prop is not clean. Now we also clean the cooling coil with the pressure of the jet pump. Keep in mind that the jet pump pressure is very high. It can damage the cooling coil, so reduce the pressure. Do not work in haste. Do it comfortably. When you are satisfied that the AC is clean, only then wash the other parts. Cooling coil is a very special part for the indoor unit, so keep cleaning it till all the garbage is removed. Now let's wash the remaining items of AC as well. Now with the help of a brush, all the covers of the AC have to be washed. The coarse debris has been removed from the jet pump, but the stain will have to be rubbed and the AC will have to be polished a little. Now with the help of a brush, wash the blower with surf water. Washing with surf water starts smelling in the AC and a little bit of dust stuck to it will also be clean. AC starts shining after rubbing with a brush. It has started looking like new. Along with the jet pump, it is also necessary to brush. A lot of waste is saved, which comes out only after rubbing. Now all the parts are washed with surf water by jet pump pressure. Flow surf water in the cooling coil as well so that fresh air will come from AC. Now clean the surf water in the cooling coil with the pressure of the jet pump. Do not work in haste, do it comfortably. When you are satisfied that the AC is clean, only then wash the other parts. Cooling coil is a very special part for the indoor unit, so keep cleaning it till all the garbage is removed. The air throw in AC is less and there is less air in AC and there is sound of air cutting. Then you clean the AC in the same way. Believe that your AC will work like new and the electricity bill will also be very less. Air through the garbage will also increase a lot. The garbage is trapped inside. This garbage will come out from the pressure of the jet pump. AC starts shining after rubbing with a brush. It has started looking like new. Now clean the surf water in the front cover with the pressure of the jet pump. You can see all the open parts of AC. Dry all the parts until some water comes out and wipe them thoroughly with a dry cotton cloth. After that, fix the blower and fan motor in the main cover and tighten it. Tighten the screw on the top of the fan motor. Also tighten the screw of the cooling coil. Also attach the swing flap inside. Also tighten the earthing wire in the cooling coil. Attach the PCB also and attach the wire of the fan motor. Attach the display. Attach the swing motor as well. Also attach the swing flap. Wall the indoor unit as well. Install the remaining parts of the AC as well. Also fix all the screws of the main cover. Now fix the swing flap and its lock as well. Note that the swing flap is very delicate and fix it carefully. Also fix the filter net and front cover. I could not show you cleaning the outdoor because of the outdoor being very high, but it is very important to clean the outdoor unit in AC servicing. It looks like there is no garbage in the outdoor unit, but it does not happen. When you jet it, if you clean it with a pump, then the frozen dust will come out of it. and the electricity bill of your house will also be saved by using AC. Now your AC will work like a brand new AC, and there will be no problem of permanent water entering your AC. Hope you have understood the information given by me. Then do like my video.